In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D box with animation in PowerPoint for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to spruce up your presentations with a touch of vibrant animated flair, you're in the right place. We're going to transform those ordinary flat slides into something dynamic and eye-catching. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you're comfortable with the workspace, as familiarity with the interface will make this process much smoother. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your desired presentation. If you don't have one yet, you can start fresh with a new slide where you'd like your 3D box to appear. Next, you'll want to click on the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab is your gateway to adding new elements to your slide. Once there, locate and select the Shapes option. This will bring up a palette of various shapes you can choose from. From this selection, you'll want to pick the rectangle shape. It's important to keep creativity at the forefront, so feel free to adjust colors and sizes as you go along. Once you've inserted a rectangle, you'll need to press and hold the Shift key as you resize it. This nifty trick transforms your rectangle into a perfect square, maintaining the proportions uniformly. Now that you have a square, it's time to replicate. You'll need to copy and paste this square 6 times across your slide. Each square will eventually form a side of your 3D box. Think of it as laying the foundation for each face of your cube. With your squares in place, navigate over to the Shape Format tab. This is where your 2D squares will start morphing into a 3D cube. Under Shape Format, look for Shape Effects and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select 3D Rotation. Here you can play around with various 3D perspectives to position each square as a side or the base of your cube. Once you've chosen your 3D perspectives, it's time to fine-tune your creation. Head to the Edit Points option, which is also found under the Shape Format tab. This tool lets you adjust the corners of your shapes, offering a more realistic cube appearance. Carefully tweak each square so all pieces fit perfectly together, forming that seamless 3D effect. And there you have it, a simple 3D box made right in PowerPoint. With a little patience and some attention to detail, your presentations will leave a lasting impression. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into animating this 3D cube, bringing your slides to life in a whole new way.